What's going on, YouTube people? This is our new project. This is the one you saw me bring home from Donald's house, and I'll have to look it up again because I've already forgotten, but it's a late 60s Ford 3000, real common tractor, at least around these parts. What we're doing, it's got an issue where the lift wants to re-level constantly, and the PTO shaft seal is leaking badly, which lends me to think that the bearing is shot there. So got those new parts here, gonna be changing those today. First step, we're gonna drain what's left of the fluid that's in there, because it's a nice rich milky color, because Donald accidentally left that plug out while he was pressure washing. Whoops. But anyway, so we're going to take care of that, getting fluid drained and pulling that shaft. So here we go. Ooh, that's a nice milky color. Good for you, and it'll help you too. There's way more in there than what I thought there was going to be. Means it's probably going to overfill my container because I haven't dumped it since I did the oil change in my truck. Oh, I might get lucky. Yes. I think we're good. Sweet. We're gonna leave that out, let it drip. I'm gonna be breaking these loose by hand just because I really don't want to wring off a bolt. I figured they'd be pretty easy, but I don't want that headache, and that'd be my luck. If you notice this, it's a slip coupler. If you watch the other video, I don't remember which one it is. One of them, I was talking about this tractor a little bit before we picked it up, and the fact that I've never seen this particular setup in a 3000, whereas it has a diesel, but it does not have a high-low transmission and or a two-stage clutch. I've seen, actually the first 2000 I ever saw like that. I thought whenever they changed this style that they all got a high-low, but I'd never worked on them, never owned one, so I hadn't researched them that much. But a friend of mine at the firehouse had a 2000, and it had the same transmission like this. It was, granted, it was the gas engine, but still. That phone call was important. We'll take that one. It's one of the girls. One of my girls. Uh-huh. Awesome. Someone's definitely been in there before. But why? I didn't have to take that apart, but here we are. There it goes. Ta-da! Alright, we have enough clearance now to get our ring in there. Nah, needs a little more. And now, maybe you can see that you have a spot to put that snap ring in. If I had a little more junk on my truck, then I could completely lose things. Yay me. There it is. I just had to feel for it. Now my hammer's good and slick. Mm-hmm. We'll pull it up the rest of the way, make it sink on it. Okay, so that's going to wind up today's episode of Mash My Fingers and Throw My Tools. Today was not the best evening working on this tractor. Everything that I took apart is back together. Let me rephrase, everything that I wanted to replace today is repaired and back together. I did see where the leak was on the hydraulics, so we've got to order some parts. That's going to pretty much wind up this video. Stay tuned. We've got another part coming on repairing the hydraulics. And yeah, I'm going to go soak my finger with some ice or something. That felt real good. Catch y'all later.